and I am back with you again today on this lovely Friday, and I'm going to be transforming these braids into something a little better. I had these braids in for like a week now, and I can get bored easily sometimes, so I want to do something different. I did my own braids. They are the triangle braids. You probably can't see it now, but I will show you later. So what I did, I just took, it's like a half up, half down. I took the bottom half and braided it up, and top half and braided it up. I have a scrunchie right here at the top. And that was it. It looks super cute. I got so many compliments on my hair and the way it is right now. I got so many compliments. I love it. It looks so nice. But I'm a little bored and I want to do something different. So I have the 1B black and gold. And then I have 613, I think it is, just blonde. I only have like three. I think I only have 3 braids of those. Okay, and then I use the rubber band method as well. So that's where you would, so basically I parted my entire head in triangles. There we go, triangles, and I use the rubber band method, and I just put rubber bands at the ends of it. These regular, can't even see. These regular black, there we go. There we go. It fell. It's all good. The regular black rubber bands, and then it was so easy, you guys. Like, I am not a braider at all. I mean, I could braid tiny bit, but not that much. And it's my own head on top of that, God. So the rubber band method did me so much justice, because without it, honestly, I would have gave up, said forget it. So basically, I parted my hair into triangles, put the rubber bands on, and then I put the extensions on with my regular hair. It was so easy. The easiest part was when I got everything parted and squared away, and then I just put the hair on, braided the hair on to the rubber bands. It was so easy. I suggest you try it if you are doing your own head and you're not like some excellent braider or anything like that. Try it. I'm sure it'll be just fine. So we are going to undo these. They're really nice though, right? They're like poetic justice. Anyways, I'm going to make this really quick. So I'm going to just go ahead and undo these braids. And what we're going to do today, we are going to curl the braids. So let me undo them really quick. Oh, call me Rapunzel. No, call me Elsa. Paris, my daughter calls me Elsa whenever I have my hair down. She's like, Mommy, you Elsa. I love the little hint of blonde. Like, it's so cute. I love doing my hair like that. I love doing like black 1B and then just a hint of blonde, or just a hint of honestly any color. I just think to, you know, jazz it up a little bit. So taking these bad boys down, untying the hair tie that I had at the top. So there you go, my hair down. So what I did, I braided it a little past my real hair, and then I put a knot at the end, or I attempted to put a knot at the end. As you can see, we got some stuff going on here, but it's all right. I have these, I have these here, perm rods. The purple ones. I have the purple perm rods. Got these from the beauty supply store. You can find these at the beauty supply store too. Maybe Sally's or maybe Target. If so, I will go ahead and link it in the description below. Yeah, this is giving me all types of like. Anyways, we are going to take this, our perm rod. Sorry you guys, I had to totally do one off camera because I just kept messing up and cursing and carrying on, and y'all didn't want to hear all that. Y'all didn't want to see all that. Okay, anyway, so I did one. It took me so, you guys, it took me like 10 minutes to get this. So this is one. So basically what I did, I parted one braid. I took the hair and parted it in two. I'm going to start actually up here. So we're going to start up here at the top, and we're going to twist as we go. Twist, 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 twist. There you go. They are nice and tight. There you go. And I will do another one for you really quick. We're just going to use one because this one is a little small.
Perm rod. And we're going to twist as we go. Twist. This should be really fast. We're going to keep doing this throughout our whole head. And what we're trying to achieve is little curls. Curls for the girls. You see I'm really focused, right? Freaking forehead all scrunched up.
I'm going to finish the rest of my hair, and I will be back with all the hair twisted up, or as many as I can put on here. Hello, I am back. I had a quick intermission, but I am finally done, as you can see. And here's the finished look.
As you guys can see, some magic, what just a few perm rods can do to your entire look. Like, I feel like I have a whole new hairdo, which I do, which took only an hour. And I don't know, I'm just so satisfied with the looks that I got. And you can like put it up and it'll look amazing, and have a few just hanging here. You can have it like this, you can put it all to one side, you can leave it down, but I prefer it up. So yes, let me know how you guys are feeling. Like, am I starving today? So basically all I did was twisted the perm rods onto my entire head, dipped them in hot water. Be careful, please be careful. Be careful with the hot water. And then took the perm rods out, and that is it. And you get this look. Well, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like the look in the comment section down below. Don't forget to comment, like I already said. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.